This is the third video in my series on the sums of natural numbers. So in this video, we're going to look at evaluating this summation. We've been asked to work out the sum of this series between the 8th term and the 20th term, and we're going to use this formula which we derived in a previous video. So if we think about what's happening with the 8th to the 20th term, what we're looking for is the sum of this series between the 8th term and the 20th term. So we're looking for the sum between the 8th to the 20th. But to use this formula, we need to use it in this form where we start with r equals 1. But if you were to think about how we can create this series, we can look at all the terms in the series, so from 1 to 20, and then from that, we can take away all the terms from 1 to 7. Then what we're left with is from terms from 8 to 20. So we can rewrite this as the sum between r equals 8 to 20 of 2r plus 5 being equal to the sum of r equals 1 to 20 of 2r plus 5 minus the sum of r equals 1 to 7 of 2r plus 5. So all we're doing is we're working up the sum for the total series, and then we're taking away the sum of the first 7 terms in that series. Then what we're left with is from 8 to 20. Now I showed you in a previous video how we can evaluate each of these. If we look at this one first, well, we can break this down. The sum between 2r plus 5 between r equals 1 to 20 is exactly the same as 2 multiplied by the sum of r plus the sum of 5 between the same limits. Okay? So this will be 2 multiplied by the sum of r, which is what we have a formula for, and we know that n will be equal to 20 in this case. So we'll have 1/2 of 20 multiplied by 21 plus, and then for our next one, we've got 20 lots of 5. So we'll have 5 times 20. We can work out our bracket. This 2 and this half will cancel. So we've got 20 times 21, which gives us 420, plus 5 times 20, which is 100. So the sum of the first 20 terms will be 520. And if we now look at our second summation, this is when n equals 7. So the sum between r equals 1 to 7 of 2r plus 5 is equal to 2 multiplied by the sum of r between r equals 1 to 7 plus the sum between r equals 1 to 7 of 5. So for this term, we know that n equals 7, so we've got 2 lots of 1/2 of 7 multiplied by 7 plus 1. And then for the next bit, 7 times 5 is 35. These two will cancel, so we've got 56 plus 35, which gives us 91. So we can say that the sum, the 8th term and the 20th term of 2r plus 5 will be 520 minus the 91, which gives us 429. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe. And you can download the full lesson and worksheet from my website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks again and take care.